hear that? The sound of me falling through. You can even see the bubbles moving. I'm gonna try to go there. Probably gonna get stuck. But hey, it's worth it. Check this, guys. Looks good, eh? Alright, let's get going. Yeah. Awesome. A little bit of a rocky section here. Not gonna stop these tires. Gotta pick my path here. Gotta keep pedaling. It's so important to keep your feet moving here. Otherwise you're gonna stop to a grinding halt and not move a centimeter. Oh, for fuck's sake. We made it. God damn, it's nice here. Alright, let's get heading back. These fucking tires, guys. The new Maxxis Minions. Really fucking awesome. You don't lose any grip on these. Through the ice, through the snow, through the dirt, on rocks, off rocks. Doesn't fucking care. Right, let's get going.